In this video, I am going to show you how you can get $100 credit from FewSteps. So let's see how we can do this thing. So before using this thing, make sure you are using brand new email address. So far I saw if you use your old email, then it will not work. And then open FewSteps. Once you are there, then you will see pricing. Just click over there and very shortly it will bring this type of window. And if you scroll, you will find a couple of options are there. Web Search API, then News Search API, Contents API, and Image Search API. And for these three cases, you see there is $100 free credit like this. So what you need to do, you just need to click here, get standard for free. If you want to use Web API, then click over there. And if you use News Search API, then just click over there. Once you click over there, now we need to type our email address and then we have to press continue button, and then we'll get one code on our email, and after that we can activate our FewSteps account. Once our account is activated, then we'll see there is $100 credit of our account, and we can easily access through this link FewSteps.com/platform/billing. If we go there, we'll see this credit is there, and now we can use it to different purposes. And that's it. In this way, we can easily get the $100 credit from FewSteps. You don't need to use any other complicated solution. It's very simple and easy.